to Brains World 23! Let's rock!
Welcome to Brains World with your host, that crazy car McGee guy. And today we're going to teach you how to get a rusty bolt out where the head broke off. And I've tried different methods to try to get them out. So this is going to be last resort thing to do other than having to drill it out, recapping it. So, I mean, I've tried your liquid wrench. I've tried freeze off. I've tried all kinds of things. But stay tuned, and I'm going to teach you what we're going to do. But first, a couple things you want to remember to have. Always have a fire extinguisher with you. You'll want to have some safety gloves, and you want to have some eye protection or face protection. So that's real important. So let's get to it. All right, so this is the bolt here. I mean, there's a nut on the other side. That's why it's wiggling like that. This is where the pedals go. So I'm going to show you that this will not come out. Okay. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. No, see, it's not coming out. What we're going to do is we're going to heat it up with a little bit of gas. And it does take a few minutes. I mean, you use different gases out there. This blue stuff, it takes a little bit longer. You definitely want to heat this up. Needs to get really hot. I don't know if you can see that or not, but I mean, it's starting to glow red a little bit. Okay. All right, let's give this a try. As you can see, we're able to get the bolt. Let's see if we can get it out all the way. And look at that. Look how nasty that bolt was. And you can see the penetrating oil did get in there, but it didn't work. Thanks again for tuning in on this episode of Brains World with your host, that crazy car McGee guy. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave your comments. If you have another way of removing a nasty, stubborn bolt, please let me know. Put it in the comments. You know, I'd love to learn. And also, you know, some of the other folks watching the channel might want to learn as well. And we'll see you next time on Brains World!
Brains World 23. Follow us on Facebook,